everybody, welcome back to my channel and a happy new year. Sorry it's a bit late of me putting up this video. I know it's the 8th, but you know, after Christmas I wanted to spend some time with my family and my friends and just chill out for a bit. So basically I should have done this in December, but I didn't, but I'm going to do it now. I know it's a little late, but I've never seen a channel do this. So basically I'm going to be doing a December favourites. I know it's a bit late, but please bear with me. The reason I'm doing this is because everyone does best of 2017 makeup at the end of the year, and I thought, no, I'm going to be different. I'm going to do December favourites. I don't know if most of you, but some of you do like to see what my favourites are, so here's what I was loving in December. So the first thing I was loving, this was bought to me years ago, and it's a jokey thing, and it also reminds me to make sure I keep up with my weight loss journey. So I've been using it, I used it a ton of December because I thought, no, I don't want to go ham. So basically this was a diet kit that my mum got me ages ago, and I still have it till this day. It is a jokey thing, but it says diet kit. The sure way to prevent overeating. No diet, no exercise, no pills. So I can see everything's just like, there's like a hole where the spoon is, there's a small knife and a small fork in there, and this is just a jokey thing. Please don't take any offence to it. I didn't. It was just a jokey thing, and this always reminds me that no matter what weight I am, to be happy, and just if I do need to lose weight, just lose weight for me and everything. So I've been using this. This has been basically in my room. I'm going to move this downstairs because it is something that does actually help me just to make sure I chew with every mouthful and don't really eat big mouthfuls. So this is what I've been loving. I don't know where you can get this from. As I said, I got it for Christmas presents. The next thing I've been loving is something that I've done with my hair today. So I can see my hair is very curled today. It is very curled, it's very big. And I've been using this guy. This is the Chopstick wand from Stafford. I got this on the Black Friday sale. It's supposed to be £19.99 to £20, but I got it for £17.99, £18. So basically, I love this. This creates tight ringlets. So as you can see, I've got everything curled. I actually do love this thing. It's just good to create tight curls, and I love this style that I do with my hair. Just curl it in tight curls. I just mess it about and my hair is done. This is from Old Spice and it's original deodorant stick. I got this in Sainsbury's for £1.80. It was on sale, and the smell, it smells like a man. But it smells so good, and when you put it on, you don't smell deodorant. I can put this on in the morning, and by the evening I can still smell the scent. It is really good. If you have really strong BO and do you want something to tack about, then try using the Old Spice original. They do come in another scent, but I like the original because it just smells so good. So yes, give this away if you have BO that needs to be tamed. The next thing I do have is a back combing brush. Now I love this for back combing. I've used it to brush up the front curls, and I did use it for a bit of sectioning and back combing as well. And I love this. This is really good if you have short hair or even long hair. Some people go up and down like that. Don't do that. It just doesn't back comb your hair. What you need to do is you need to take a section like this, down, away, and that gives you like a really combed effect, and to move it out with the brush. And this is really good. I love this, and it has a precise little end on it, so you can actually section your hair as well. I love this really much. It creates volume. You can start with short hair. It's so easy. I love my short hair now. It's just really nice and fun. Next thing I got was matte paste, and I used this before in the past and I've actually loved it for my short hair. Now that I have a pixie cut, I want to use it again. So this is the one. This has got to be Beach Matte. I don't know what it's got to be. Styling products from Schwarzkopf always smell phenomenal. There's a hairspray that I have got, and basically it's a blue and purple bottle, and it smells gorgeous. It smells really nice. This smells so good. So it comes in little, as you can see, it comes like this in a little one, and basically what you do is you take it out like that, and you rub it between your fingers, and then you apply it to your hair. So you rub it and then you just apply it, and then it's really good to like mess with your hair. It really is really good for that. I've used this today and it doesn't weigh down my hair. It just looks really nice and presentable. I just love this. Plus it didn't cost that much. I think it's cost between £1 to £3. It didn't cost that much. So the next thing I've got is texture styling. Now I got this ages ago, last year, and I've used it ever since. This is the L'Oreal Paris Studio line TXT Texturizing Spray, Volumizing Super Spray, and I love it. You can just have big volume, so I absolutely love this. I just spray it in, toss it up, and then I'm ready to go. The next thing is called Makeup Gallery Pro Liquid Liner. Now this is from the Pound store, and I got this because I need a new liquid liner and I want to try this one. I have it on today and it's very matte black. The brush is very flat. It's not one of them felt tip ones. It's actually a brush. That's the brush. It's thin, but it's flat, so it doesn't come on the point, it is flat, so you do have to, I use it very good. I use it and it looks lovely. I put it on, when it's flat, I use the edge bit to do the eye, and then for the flat piece, I do the wing, and my wings come up perfect every time. They say matte black all day, I love it. So this is from the Pound store. It's just £1, and I find it really good for £1, so I absolutely love this. Next one I got is a bronzer. Now I haven't had any bronzer on today because I didn't feel like bronzer, but normally I put this on. This is from Kiko, and it's number 1 Warm Melange. It's the baked bronzer. It's the full 2.0, so I don't know if this is still out, sorry if it isn't, but this is really good. I love it. It is a warm kind of colour, and it looks really good. It's not glittery, and it's right there. It's just really nice and bronzy. You put it on your face and you look like a bronze goddess. Plus it smells like chocolate. I feel like this is a really good bronzer to use in the summer, especially in the summer. If you want to use a bronzer in the winter, go for it. But I love this one. I'll use this in the summer quite a lot because I love this. So the next one is a hairspray that I have actually put on today, and it's doing a very good job. It's the Mark Hill Freeze Hold Hairspray. Now I've had this for a while as well. It smells gorgeous. It's a freeze hold hairspray and it's finished number 3. So it's freeze technology, cool air after styling, providing extreme hold. Now I use this today for my extra curly hair. It has stayed in my hair so much, and I absolutely do love this. If you're looking for something that is basically, you've curled your hair and all the hairsprays you do don't work, use this. The packaging is to die for. This does come in a bigger can. So the can comes in a can, I think about that big. So it is worth it. So that is the end of my December favourites. Sorry, it was kind of a lot, but you know, in December I do use things quite a lot because it's that time of the month where I get to use new products that I bought or old products that I've been still loving. So that is what I've been using. Hopefully you do like this video. Please give this video a big like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!